Good morning, eighth graders. All right, now that your bell work is finished, it's time to get into the lesson. What you'll be doing today you will finish your story. You've added in literary terms. Today is your last day to put any finishing touches in before we're going to submit our story on Revision Assistant. The sub will be coming around to collect your homework and to check, so make sure that you've opened up your story and that you have your highlights ready. As the sub comes around, she will give you 1 point for each literary term. So it's very crucial that you got your homework done last night. Now, I want to show you where we go from here. If you click on your graphic organizer and you go down to the bottom in the text box where you've been typing your story, here's where you're going to need to copy and paste your completed story, and you are going to be pasting it in Revision Assistant. Now, we've all logged in for this program, but if you've forgotten how to log in, you just go back to your Google Classroom and you open up the slides titled Revision Assistant, and on here is all of your login information. So let's go back. Our assignment was What's My Name? We have the beginning of the story of Don't Call Me Ishmael, and at the bottom is where you've been typing your story, or where you're going to copy and paste your story in. So from Google, you will copy in your story. So here's the beginning of my story. Now clearly you can see that it has not been finished. Your stories will be. Once you have your finished story, if you go down to the bottom of the page, you'll see two buttons, Turn In and Signal Check. We do not want to turn in our assignment yet. Today we will just be clicking Signal Checks. I'm going to click Signal Check, but obviously I do not have enough writing here for it to give me a grade. But I want to show you what it does look like. It will load with these bars, and then once I'm done, I'm going to get 4 areas of growth. You're going to see plot, development, organization, and language. As you click on these, it's going to ask you things that you've done in your writing to get that score. Now you'll notice there are 4 bars here, and I only have 1 of the 4 highlighted. That means I will have gotten a 1 out of 4 on language, 1 out of 4 in organization, 1 out of 4 in development, and 1 out of 4 in plot. Now, obviously, I want to increase that because that wouldn't be the grade that I'd be hoping for. So if I go down to my writing, you'll notice that some things are highlighted. If you click on those highlights or those texts, it will ask you questions, things that you can do to improve in your writing. As you make these changes, these improvements, you will then click another signal check, and you are hoping to see improvements down here. Do not turn in our assignment. We will turn this in tomorrow, so you do not have to worry about doing this. Today, all I want you to do is copy and paste, use the signal check to improve your writing, and I want all of you to strive for 3 out of 4 in each category. So your goal is a 3 out of 4 in language, organization, development, and plot, and you will get there by making sure you use the signal checks. Now, I don't want you to work with any partners, but you may work with your shoulder partner as the person sitting next to you. All right, have a great day.